The 2025 Honda Odyssey continues to be a top contender in the minivan segment, offering families a practical yet refined option for everyday travel. This latest model builds on Honda's legacy of reliability and comfort with a few modern updates that make it even more appealing for large households and road trip enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Odyssey still comes equipped with a powerful 3.5 3-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower, and paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The powertrain delivers confident acceleration and quiet cruising, making highway driving feel effortless even when the vehicle is fully loaded. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Odyssey is its spacious and versatile interior. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the cabin is designed to maximize both comfort and functionality. The second-row Magic Slide seats allow for easy access to the third row and provide multiple configurations to suit various passenger and cargo needs. Whether you're hauling kids to soccer practice or loading up for a weekend getaway, the Odyssey adapts with ease. Honda has also enhanced the sound insulation, ensuring a quieter ride, and improved the quality of interior materials. For a more premium feel, technology is another strong point. The 2025 Odyssey comes with a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a crisp 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple USB ports to keep everyone connected and entertained. Higher trims offer a rear seat entertainment system, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Honda's Cabin Watch and Cabin Talk systems are also available, letting drivers monitor and communicate with rear passengers more easily. Great for keeping an eye on young kids without turning around. Safety remains a top priority with the Honda, sensing Suite Standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and more. The Odyssey has a solid reputation for safety, and these features provide added peace of mind for parents and daily commuters alike. Parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and a multi-angle rear-view camera further enhance safety and convenience. The exterior styling of the 2025 Averse C25 model remains familiar but refined, with a sleek profile and subtle updates to the grille and lighting. Elements: alloy wheels, LED headlights, and available power sliding doors give it a modern edge while remaining unmistakably practical. With its strong performance, roomy interior, advanced tech, and top-tier safety, the 2025 Honda Odyssey stands out as one of the best choices for families who want comfort, reliability, and versatility in one well-rounded package. It continues to prove that a minivan can be stylish, smart, and incredibly useful.